guys, welcome back. Today we're making some snow angel cupcakes. They're really cute angel food cupcakes that I think are gonna be delicious and a big hit at any New Year's Eve party or any winter party for that matter. So, let's get baking. We're gonna start by pulsing 2 cups of sugar until it's super fine. Next, we're going to take 1 1/3 cups of cake flour or normal flour with 1/2 cup of our superfine sugar and sift it together 4 times. This is going to make it real incorporated and light and fluffy. In a new and much bigger bowl, we're going to whip 12 egg whites, and we're going to add in 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 1/2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and we're going to whip these together for a little bit until we reach stiff peaks. Now we'll add in the remaining 1 1/2 cups of superfine sugar, just sprinkling a little bit in each time, and whip that in until it's fully incorporated. Next, we're going to add in the zest of 1 lemon and mix that in as well, and it's going to give it a nice lemony undertaste. Now we're going to add in our flour 1/4 cup at a time and fold it in, and repeat this process until all the flour is mixed in. Now we'll line our cupcake tin with cupcake liners, and a lighter white color really complements these cupcakes, and we'll fill them in, and I made both large and mini cupcakes with this. We'll bake these at 350 degrees for 17 to 20 minutes. To top these cupcakes, we're going to use 16 ounces of heavy cream, very cold, and we're going to whip it with 4 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to whip these into soft peaks. Now we'll top it off with a dollop of whipped cream, a dusting of powdered sugar, a single raspberry on top, and just a little bit more powdered sugar. So here's the final product. It is a lovely batch of snow angel cupcakes. I really like the decorations. It's super simple but really sweet. So I'm gonna try a bite. It's so light and fluffy. It's like taking a bite out of a cloud. It's so good. It's very lemony. The zest is very apparent in this, but it's really delicious, and the whipped cream on top is just perfect. Let me try the raspberry with it. Oh, it's so good. I love raspberries. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year! So, let's get baking.
I'm missing something.
Oh.
This is like my first time doing this, so.
Marker. Wait, what did they say? Remember in the...
Marker. And action. Action. Marker. Okay, now go. Alright, if I say marker, will you not laugh?
I'll try not to.
Marker. Alright, ready?
Yes.
Are you sure that you're ready? Alright, ready?
Scene 3. Marker.